Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about adjusting the page scaling when you're utilizing a brother printer. So if you want to change some of the scaling options when you're initiating a print function, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in Control Panel. Best results should come back with Control Panel here. Go ahead and open that up. At the top right versus View By, click on the drop-down field and select Category, and then select Hardware and Sound. Now you want to select underneath Devices and Printers where it says Advanced Printer Setup. Left click on that, and then select the Brother printer from this list, and then go down, select Printing Preferences, and now select the Advanced tab. And the top section should read Scaling. So you can adjust a few different scaling options here. You can have it fit to paper size. You can also have it in an option that you can actually scale it to 25% to 400% of the original text, and that'll scale it to the page. And you should see that it will update in the little preview graphic over here on the left side. That's exactly what you're doing. And if I were to bump it up, you can see that the illustration does update to reflect what that is going to look like. Definitely a nice little visual aid there. And like I said, you can fit to the paper size as well by selecting that option. And you can also have the option to turn off scaling altogether by having it off up there. And then if you make any changes in here, select Apply and OK to save it. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.